What's good with y'all? How y'all doing? Let's get right into this video. As you can see, this is the YouTube dashboard, how much I made as a small YouTube creator on YouTube with 5,000 subscribers. So as y'all can see, we're currently in October, and right now I made $19, right? Not a lot of money, but we'll take it. In September, I made $37 a month. It's not that much money, but it's okay. July, we made $18 a month. June, $15. May, $11. Why am I showing you the analytics? Basically, I'm showing y'all that in YouTube, it's gonna be some time and you gotta put in a lot of work when started a YouTube channel. So I wanted to show y'all straight off the bat, no fluffery stuff. That is how much I made. I make about a couple, like $30. Is it life changing? No, it's not life changing, right? You guys gotta pay rent, you got gas, food, you probably can't get too much money with it. But what I'm saying is, this is only a stepping stone of being a YouTuber, and eventually you'll get to that level. Now, I'm not gonna make a video of me, bragging how much money I made, because it's not that much money. So it's not a lot that much money. So I'm just a small YouTuber that want to show real numbers of how much a channel with a small amount can make. So I make about $2-3 a day on YouTube currently right now, and what I really talk about mostly is fashion, and I do a lot of sports stuff. So my niche is not super big right now, so it's not really like talking about certain topics, right? So it all depends on what you talk about on YouTube, how your RPM or CPM and everything like that. So you got to definitely have a good niche to make more money. But for me, I run a fashion brand. This is my clothing brand right here, and I operate it as a business, right? So this is not my only way I make money on YouTube. There's all different types of ways I make money on YouTube. I got a lot of videos explaining that, but that's just some of the numbers of how much you can make possibly with a small channel. Now, what you need to actually even make money on YouTube, right? You gotta have a certain requirement, and that requirement is you need 1,000 subscribers and you need 4,000 hours of watch time. So how you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hour watch time is by staying consistent on YouTube. You have to actually produce a lot of videos to get that quota, right? You know what I'm saying? I look at it like, if you do something you love doing, do it for free. You're gonna do it for free because you love doing it. For me, example, I love playing basketball. I've been playing basketball since I was 14 years old. So I love playing basketball. So for me to record me playing basketball is something I was already doing. I just decided to put it on YouTube. So same with y'all. If you guys got a YouTube channel, or if you guys want to be a YouTuber, find something that you can see yourself doing and that you would do it for free, and just record yourself and post it on YouTube, and then do it for a long period of time, and then eventually you'll start to get the requirements of 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 hours of watch time. When I started this channel back in 2-3 years ago, I kind of was just doing it all over the place. I was just recording videos, and eventually I got monetized. And this is my first year of being monetized, and I'm just, I'm kind of excited that it's starting to grow. Like, so I appreciate everybody that's been watching all my contents, been liking, anybody that shares, subscribe, I really appreciate it. So as a small YouTuber, you're not going to make a lot of money at first, but as your channel grow and as you grow, when you if you update your camera, you do better editing and stuff like that, eventually everything will start your money will grow, right? So I guess why we all click this video. You guys click the video because you want to know about the money, right? So, but for real, like when you really start on YouTube, just grind it out and just push it out. Like, really just lock in. That's what it's all about. It's about lock in, staying focused, try to produce. And then eventually, after a certain minute of time, you'll start to see some results. I'm just a regular dude that just decided to upload videos with a camera and record, you know what I mean? So it's not a lot of money, but like I said, is you're building a brand, and if you want to build a brand, a personal brand or a business, you have to really stay consistent. You can't go to a job and expect, you know, you can just show up one day and not show up, you're gonna get fired. So it's the same thing with YouTube. You have to show up every day like a job. You gotta really show up on YouTube to actually really see some results, you know what I mean? Or like a baby, you can't just, you can't just spend halfway do it. You gotta lock in and do it all together, take care of it and stuff like that. That's kind of what YouTube is for real life. That's what it's like for me as a YouTuber. So I hope y'all guys, I gave y'all some explosive information of how much you can make on YouTube just as a small channel. Those are some of my, you know, my data for this channel. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, or if you guys got a YouTube channel, please consider liking this video, subscribing, and drop comments. Let us know what you think. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one, y'all. Peace.